One World Week, in essence, is a celebration of diversity, a celebration of our cultures in the university, and really, the global aspect is very important, so including our home students, so our Scottish, English, Welsh, Irish students, as well as all of our international students, European and international.
One World Week is about people from different backgrounds, from different parts of the world, getting together and sharing their cultures, their passions, their identity with us and expressing that and feeding back to the community. It's a good way for people to get involved as well.
There are lots of people from all over the world, so it's nice to get to know each other, know your food, know what you guys do, what your dress sense, like this is a simple Nigerian dress, and get to know one another. It's fantastic. It's a nice time to mingle.
In Chinese is Hanfu. Chinese people, they just wear this in daily life, and they also have something like this. And in the clothes, it have some symbol of flower or color to showing this is China.
We're very fortunate in Aberystwyth because we have an extremely diverse international community. We have students in Aberystwyth from more than 120 countries in the world, so we're very fortunate there.
I'm looking forward to see all the different students from Aber coming from different countries. Also, a lot of locals perhaps will come, and I'm looking forward for it because I think it's a great opportunity to show how Aberystwyth University is an international community. When it comes to the international community, I think it's one of the most important things in the whole university, and a thing that shaped really Aberystwyth as a town. And since the beginning of the university, I think it was the first university ever to allow every kind of student to come to Aber, no matter your origins, no matter where you come from, no matter what language you spoke, you were welcome in Aber University.
Life is about learning from other people. It's about growing and a community. That's what a community is, when you can learn from people from different backgrounds and share. It helps you open your mind up to opportunities that the world has to offer. And it tells you that the world is bigger than what it is.